In open-pit mines, the steep rock faces created during excavation, called highwalls, are constantly exposed to erosion, rain, wind, and water seepage. Left unchecked, they can become unstable, leading unplanned shutdowns that can cost anywhere from $100,000 to $500,000 per day, or accidents leading to legal claims and compensation costs exceeding $1 million per case. Today, many teams still rely on terrestrial methods and multicopters, which are slow and labor-intensive approaches, or invest in high-end INSAR systems. With limited coverage, they leave blind spots that can still cost you. The solution? With Wingtra, your safety manager can have highwall data in hand just a couple of hours after takeoff. No need to send crews into blast zones. And it doesn't stop at safety. Wingtra's fast, high-resolution data can boost mine output by up to 10% daily. That's a potential gain of $230,000 US every single day. With Wingtra, you can map 100 hectares, including active highwall faces and blasting sites, in just 27 minutes at 2.7 centimeters GSD, all while keeping crews safe in launch zones. WingtraCLOUD's custom terrain map, imports, and powerful intuitive flight planning lets you cover complex, steep terrain with confidence and high accuracy. Thanks to automations and easy-to-use features, even less experienced pilots can master surveys in tough, windy conditions. Once you have the site captured, you can generate high-resolution orthomosaics and point clouds from 260 images in just over 2 hours. Ready to share, fully georeferenced, and aligned to your coordinate system. Engineers can jump straight into analysis without needing a GIS expert or extra tools. They'll extract tow lines, crest geometry, bench heights, and slope angles to model stability and detect early signs of erosion or failure before they escalate. They can share annotated hazard maps with pit crews the same afternoon and respond quickly with actions like reinforcing berms or adjusting blast plans. With Wingtra, you're not just mapping safely, you're making faster, smarter decisions with surveys that are efficient, safe, and easy for anyone on your team to run. And it gets even better than this. You can use insights from a single Wingtra survey for way more applications than just highwalls. From the many outputs you gather with that one capture, you can update your mine plan and track stockpile volumes. You can also use it to optimize slope angles, maximize ore recovery, and improve reconciliation between planned and actual extraction. With Wingtra, one workflow does the work of many, helping you prevent disruptions, cut survey costs, and unlock hundreds of thousands in added value. The result? Fewer delays, fewer risks, and a mine that runs on accurate, accessible real-time data.